Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore the Unity layout. When you first open Unity, you will see the default layout. This layout is designed to give you quick access to the main panels. You will need to start developing your game. If you want, you can customize this layout according to your preferences. Each of these panels and sections serves a specific purpose in Unity, and they are designed to make your workflow more efficient. By understanding the function of each area, you can effectively use them to achieve your game development goals. On the left side, you'll see the hierarchy panel. This is where all the objects in your current scene are listed. Every game object you add, like characters, cameras, lights, or any other elements, will show up here. It's a great place to organize and select the items you're working with. The scene view is the main area in the center of your screen. This is where you will build your game world. Whether you're making a 3D or 2D game, this is where you place and manipulate objects. You can navigate through the scene with your mouse to zoom in, zoom out, and move around to edit your world. Next to the scene view, you have the game view. This panel lets you test and preview how your game will look when it's running. It shows you exactly what the player will see when they play your game. In short, the player will see this screen. On the right, you will find the Inspector panel. This is where you can view and edit the properties of the selected object. Whether you are adjusting a game object's position, rotation, or scale, you can also use the inspector to add new components to your game objects, such as physics properties, scripts, or rendering features. At the bottom, you have the Project panel. This is where you can manage all your assets, like scripts, models, textures, and other files used in your game. It's also where you can import new assets and organize them for easy access throughout your project. Organizing your assets in the Project panel is important for staying efficient, especially as your project becomes bigger. Finally, at the bottom of the layout, the Console panel is where error messages, warnings, and logs appear. It's essential for debugging, as it shows you any issues or helpful messages related to your game's scripts. There are 3 types of logs in the console: information messages, warnings, and errors. For us, the most important are the information messages, warnings, and errors. Information messages provide helpful details about the state of the game. Warnings indicate potential problems that might not stop the game from running, but could cause issues later. And errors are critical issues that need to be fixed immediately. By understanding these logs, you can more easily identify and resolve problems during development. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.